Joan of Arc here. This is midnight already, and I just can't sleep. Well, I've been sleeping the whole time, like since 7 o'clock up to midnight, and I was awakened by this very loud music from just next door. Well, it's a normal occurrence here in the barrios, especially the far-flung areas, or even in the city of Bacolod where I live. It's a normal thing. I grew up in this kind of environment. So when I was in high school and college, even in my elementary days, I grew up with this kind of environment. Every fiesta, every time there's a community festivities, there is always a dance, and I live almost next to the dance hall, which is a public hall where everybody goes there to do the public dance, or a BAYLE. So in Ilonggo we call that a bayle, or a dance, or a BAYLE. So the dancing festivities for all the single guys and single girls go there to meet up and maybe hook up and whatever. So, and it's very characteristic for them to play loud disco music like this. So I'm not even sure if YouTube will detect copyright for this kind of music. That's why I'm also uploading this YouTube video with this as background music playing to find out if it has copyright infringement, which I doubt. So, well, let's find out. Anyway, in a public dance in BAYLE, people come there, and girls and boys, they dance, and we call it and like under the coconut trees. So we call it sa talum kalubihan, talum under kalubihan, coconut tree plantation. So it brings a lot of memories. So here in Hinubaan, it brings a lot of those memories. However, because of our, we did some ukay this afternoon, and we bought onesies. So each one of us, 10 of us, more than 10, we had a dozen onesies. So one for each one of us. So that was fun. And because of that, we already lost energy to join the dance. So the original plan was for us to go to the dance and join the BAYLE, and I was supposed to do a vlog on that, but everybody's now just dead tired and plastered on the bed, sleeping. And here I am in the toilet just to make this vlog, because now I couldn't sleep because of the throbbing noise. So it's always like choo 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 choo. So that's it. I'm making this opportunity to make a vlog of the BAYLE. Too bad I cannot show you anymore what's going on out there, because the house is already locked and everybody is in bed now. As to sleeping, I don't know if they can sleep in this kind of noise, but it seems like everybody can sleep. Even baby Julian is fast asleep. So it's like adapting to your environment. But this is very, very much like the environment we grew up in. Ay, grabe gikagahon. So you can say grabe, which is grave, literally grave, but in Ilonggo we just say it's so super, like a superlative, so grabe. Super. Grabe. Kagaho. Very loud. This is Jonah. See you in our next video. Bye for now.